Hello everyone. Another beautiful chess puzzle I will share it to you. Like that position, the black king is here. We have one pawn for promotion, like that direction, and one bishop. The white king is here, one rook and one knight. What do you think? Is that a draw or white win or black win? Let's think about. All right. In that position, of course, the white will catch his pawn because this is for promotion. Example, king takes pawn, then bishop takes knight. Oh, that is a draw. It's not the right move. Return back to the position like that. White first to move and achieve a victory in that position. Can you solve that puzzle? A draw. King takes pawn. How about rook? Rook g8, check. Then king b7. Answer then. Knight c5. Then if king c6, there is a check here. Cannot catch his knight. So the king b6. Then knight e4, check, still check. Then king b5. Then knight c3, check. If his king move on c4, there is a check here. And then king catches pawn. So he moved his king here, b4. But there is still check in that. Knight a2, check. Then king b3. Knight c1, still check. Then king b2. Now there is time to catch his pawn. King takes pawn. Then king takes knight. Then rook g1. Oh, that is the right move. White will win in that position. So that is the right move. Rook g8. Maraming salamat po sa lahat nag-view po. Please like and subscribe na lang po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe po. Thank you po.